how'd I get it here? I don't know which way I'm going. No, that's infinite. No, not that way. Corn! Corn? Did you have a nightmare? What? No, of course not. Not me. What the?
I felt someone licking me last night. Squidward.
What? What are you looking at? It wasn't me. Why are you covered in ketchup? If it was me, I would have been using barbecue sauce. You reek, Patrick. Go outside. Stinking up the whole tent with that ketchup.
Fine. At least it doesn't stink as bad as your nose. I'll show you who stinks. I smell minty fresh. Like a mint leaf.
Well, that's better. No more ketchup stinking up the tent. Squidward? Why'd you wake up with a piece of corn next to you? What? I don't want to talk about it. I'm afraid of the corn.
Stupid Squidward. Putting ketchup all over me. In my sleep, too. The nerve. Could have at least used grape jelly. Hey, look. It's a good place to take a seat. Hey, what's up, buddy? Kicked out of the tent. If I had a tongue that was long enough, I would have already had this ketchup off me. Where am I? There's no way out. Except the way he came. I should have known. I woke up in ketchup. Squidward set me up. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, I know. If I just make a circle, I'll be protected. There we go. Perfect circle. Now that I'm in here, well, I'm invincible. It's like a force field. Everyone knows that sea bears can't go in circles. Well, if I go, at least I could say I had one more bottle of Jack before I went. Seabear, I see you went and got your ketchup, but I made a circle, and you can't go in circles. I bet you feel really dumb right about now. You should have thought about that. How does it feel for me to be more intellectual? What? Why didn't it work? I built the perfect circle. No, I'm allergic to ketchup.
Patrick, where are you? I'm finally awake to join you. He's probably doing something fun. Come on, don't leave me alone with Squidward. He smells like corn. Whoa, did you hear that? Oh, come on. It's just him trying to prank us, Spongebob. You realize that? He doesn't just wake up covered in ketchup. He probably packs that. He even got ketchup on my head. Look at this. We should at least go look. Come on, let's go. Patrick? A real-life Seabear. And he's using mustard? Everywhere.
Mustard? Come on, man. Now don't put no mustard on. You need to put a little seasoning on that thing. What? Man, come on now. Get that pep off there. Come on, somebody come get this, man. Come on now. Come on, get that pep off. That's just too much doggone pep. I don't really want to see this no more.
That's really cold.
What happened? Oh my God! Why you putting all that pep on there? Take that off of there! Get that pep off! I missed the corn! Squidward! Why'd you go in there? It's a lot safer in here than out there. You ready? Safe! The Seabear's gonna take down the whole tent. We gotta go. We gotta run. It's not safe. Hey there. Wait, the corn! I almost I'm still safe. I gotta get out of here.
Squidward, quick, Squidward. We don't have much time. We have to make a circle somehow.
A circle?
A circle. Sea bears can't go in circles. They're immune.
Where'd you hear that phony baloney?
Look, we don't have much time. He's gaining on us. Okay, circle, circle. I got this. Oh, well, Squidward, that's perfect. Jump in. We're protected.
Are you sure? SpongeBob, we're dead meat.
Nah, we're fine. Just trust me.
How did that work?
Squidward, the coast is clear. We gotta make it home.
Okay, I'm way ahead of you.
Wait.
Okay, make room. I believe you.
Squidward, I was gonna say don't go yet because he was coming back. We gotta wait till he's at a distance before we run out there. I'll keep an eye on him.
Okay. But this time you're running out there. Oh, I almost got mauled to death. Oh, I'm not leaving this circle again.
I can't believe we have to leave without Patrick. I'll have to go back and save him another time. I'm just not ill-equipped for this. Squidward, I don't see him anymore. I think the coast is clear. I'm about to get ready to run out there. Okay, here I go, Squidward. I'm out of the circle. Okay. I'm home free.
SpongeBob, he was behind the tree. I'm in the circle. You can't attack me. I don't know what to do. It's just waiting for me. Wait. Is that the corn? I gotta make it to that corn. I have one chance to make it to that corn. Okay, well, here goes nothing. Charge! Corn! The corn worked! Wait, the sea bear landed in the circle. What happens if the sea bear lands in a circle? Can't believe I made it out alive. I'm no longer part of Team Trees. I'm about Team burning down them trees. Now this is what I call a cookout. This corn is gonna taste so good with that sea bear meat.
Oh no, the king is attacking Spongebob, Patrick, and Squidward. They run more up, and please subscribe for more Spongebob videos. So, this is the end, so bye. And I'll see you next episode on SpongeBob 4.